This country has been mostly led through cabinet directors. Most of the things are not passed in parliament and became laws. It's cabinet directors, and that's why sometimes me as a member of parliament, I will only see it is a directive coming from Minister of Education, Minister of what, and we never pass that thing in the cabinet, in parliament. So my first question, Meme Salome, the 13,000 maternity leave for us women, honestly speaking, give us a choice. You cannot, for somebody who earns 30,000 per month, to go on maternity leave and get the 13,000. It is ridiculous, and that's why women don't want to go to the maternity ward anymore. It's either you take your vacational leave or you take the 13,000, and it is not worth it. So you will sit with a lot of debts at the end of the day because you are not addressing the issue of maternity leave, which is 3 months. So look into this one. Let it be a choice. If I want to contribute more so that I can get better when I'm maternity leave, that can come in. And my second concern is the school feeding program. As a teacher by profession, the Secretary of TUM was right. I was teaching at the school, 1,200 learners. Only 32 learners were benefiting from this feeding program. It is not for all the learners. So we cannot come and brag today and say we have the feeding scheme there, but you know it's only 30 learners at the school who are benefiting from it. And it is another way of discriminating. Because these 30 learners who must actually go for that porridge, they don't want to go because the others are laughing and then they are poor, they are what. Just give the porridge to everybody who wants the porridge. This is how the colonial masters have done it. Give it to all of us, whether you are poor, rich, or whatever. We just enjoy the porridge. And then my last concern is the $50 per child. You know, as I said previously, I will never shut up on this one. If somebody who is on pension, you are a pensioner, you got 1,200, you are getting veterans money of 2,200, and then you are getting a salary because all the old people are still working of 60,000 per month, and then you are coming and claiming 250 is enough for a child. 250 is a joke, honestly speaking, and we have to put our heads together and say, if you are still working, you must not buy and not get on the list of getting veteran money or even this monthly pension fund, because this is the way that other people cannot benefit because of selfish people like some of us.